Hello everyone. Today we are going to see some more few topics that are marketing research, introduction to positioning, market targeting and consumer behavior. So let's start this video. First one is market research. What is market research? What is marketing research? Marketing research is nothing but researching the market, or you can say again and again searching the market. How we are going to search the market again and again? By gathering data and information about the companies or people, and then analyzing the data which we have gathered about people and companies. What is the result? What is the importance of marketing research? Is that the result of marketing research is to help the business to get more informed decision about company's strategy, operation and potential customer base. In short, we can say that marketing research is researching the market again and again by collecting data or information about people or companies. Why we are doing this? We are doing this for better understanding about the market, and then find out the company's strategies and implement the strategies. Next one is positioning. What is positioning? Positioning is how a product is designed in your mindset, or you can say what image a product is occupying in your mindset or in the mindset of target customers. What is the image? What is a image, or what is the position a particular product is occupying in a targeted consumer's mind is called positioning. Or in other word, we can say it's basically a consumer understanding the product which make it different from its competitor, which is being offered by other companies to a targeted customer. Now next is market targeting. Let's see what is market targeting. Market targeting is nothing but it is a process where we are going to select the targeted market from the entire market. Or in other words, we can say from the entire group of market, we are going to target a selective subset of market. Target market consists of groups or groups of buyers to whom the company wants to satisfy by selling his or her manufactured product. And for each and every targeted customers, a company set a price, promotional effort is being made by the company, and as well and so on, the distribution network is also prepared. Now let's see what is the example of market targeting. The best example of market targeting is Snapchat. See, Snapchat is an application which is mostly famous for the age group of between 18 to 24 years. In worldwide, Snapchat application is having 178 active million users, and it is mostly targeting the age group between 18 to 24. These age group are mostly school going students or college going students. If we talk about Snapchat to a person who is to a senior citizen person, then he or she might not know about Snapchat. So the targeted customer for Snapchat will be a college going student or a school going student. Snapchat is mostly famous among female students. Next one we are so the last one which we are going to discuss is consumer behavior. What is consumer behavior? Consumer behavior is a study of how individual customer groups or organization select, buy, use and use their goods and services to satisfy their needs and wants. It is nothing but a behavior. What is the attitude of a consumer towards a particular product is known as consumer behavior. The way the consumer is going to behave, what will be the attitude and what will be the behavior of consumer towards a particular product in comparison with its competitor is known as consumer behavior. It refers to the action of consumer in a marketplace and then underlying motives for those action. So let's see some of the examples of consumer behavior. In this picture you can see that many children today tells their parents what model of car to buy and what not to buy. And see here it's impulsive buying and so on. For example, if you want to buy a brand new model of TV, the idea of buying new model of TV might be came from your son or your daughter or the children in your house. But your friend or your neighbor will give you a suggestion or advice which model to buy and which one not to buy. Whereas your husband will be the person who is going to purchase TV, and eventually the product which is being purchased by your husband will be most used by your children. Is a best example of consumer behavior. So this much for today. If you have more queries, then please comment me. I'll be answering all your queries in comment section. And please, if you like my video, do not forget to like, share, subscribe my video. Thank you.